Hi people, this is Nettie again. Okay, I'm going to show you. I had it in this cup right here, and they are dying. As you can see, one there is dead. Still a little greenish, but it's already dead. So I decided to move it into a bigger pot, like this one. Put it up here where the wind is more windy up here than down here. So I'm gonna just do like I did with this, put it up like this and let it see if it grows. I could still cover it, so I won't have no problem. I got the before I put them in here, I checked with this. It goes in beautifully, and I still got some more there that is starting to grow. I took the biggie ones and refilled it over there. Now I'm waiting for these. Plus there's little tiny ones that you're not gonna see, but they're starting to come out also. So what I'm gonna do is I'll put a couple of them here, get another one. I got a lot of these cups, so how you call it, pots. I got a lot of them. I always save them, and they still could fit a few, like right here, right there. It's empty, and as they grow I'll be changing them to a bigger pot. So that's how I don't know, I thought that was gonna work good there. But I think the heat, and since it has two cups, I think the heat of it was hurting it. So I just decided to put it here. And I also got this. It's all green. Yes, it's all green. No more plants falling, leaves, I mean. Yeah, they still got a little one right here. I see it. But it's not coming out, so I'm gonna leave it like that. Maybe it's still savable. So that is what I say, always try to save your plants. Look what I did to this one. I just chopped it off. Yeah, it had those little white things. I chopped it off, I cleaned it out, and I hope it lives. I don't know if it's gonna live, because this one is another plant, and I put some more there. And I don't know if this is, because I see that the roots is over here is like a little messed up. So I'm going to cut it there, and just hopefully, even though they're still growing, if you can see right there, they're still growing. And I think that it might make it. I think it does. But for case. So anyway, I already have this done. I'm going to put this here because I got to go out. I got to go home inside, run and cook. And as they grow, I'll show you how they're growing. If they don't grow, I'm gonna act like I don't even remember it. So you don't remember it. Anyway, I'm trying. So God bless you all until next time. And next time I hope I have plants. I'm planning to buy a plant again. Let's see, probably next week. So that's all for now. God bless you all until next time. Bye bye.